So here you can see that our installation is complete, and we got a screen to reboot. But before rebooting, please remove the installation media in case of your physical machine. And if you're installing this on a virtual machine, then you don't have to worry. So we'll go ahead, we'll proceed with the reboot option here. Then click on this button. It is going to reboot the system. Now previously whatever the steps we have performed, that is called as pre-installation steps, and now the steps we are going to perform it will be like post-installation steps. Steps those are performed after the installation. Now this is that your Red Hat Linux is loading up. You see all the services are coming up here, and there are some boring, there are some okay things. So let us wait till all the services come up. So this is your welcome screen. Click on forward. This is EULA end user license agreement. So yes, we agree this one. Click on forward. This is for updates. If you have license from Red Hat, you can set up and you can get updates from the Red Hat repositories. Now creating users. If you want to create extra users, you can create from here. Because as if now I'm not interested, so I'll just proceed away. Date and time. Now this is kdump. In terms if your system is being crashed up, so you'll find that kdump will be created here, stored here. Okay, fine. So we have even configured kdump, and generally when you configure kdump, it is going to restart the system. But it is good to configure kdump as it helps you in troubleshooting, like you can find out what was the reason why the system has crashed and various things. So finally we are done with the installation and we got the screen here. Click on enter. The username is root. The password we gave it as capital REDHAT, Red Hat. Now this is like a warning, you log in with a super user. If you do any changes, that will be reflected on the other users. This is just like an message for you. Superpower comes with super responsibilities. Please be careful, blah blah things. So you can see that successfully we have installed Red Hat Linux 6, and let me take you a walkthrough. This is your application. You will find various things like archive manager, calculator, WordPad. This is similar to your WordPad gedit, and you can take the screenshot. Graphic, the image viewer. Internet, Firefox is the default browser. When you install Red Hat 6, you'll get Firefox. Video and sound, that like CD extractor, audio CD extractor, music player, and disk burner. In system tools, this like automatic bulk reporting tool you got. This is DVD creator, basic disk usage analyzer, disk utility to perform partitions on the disk, file browser to browse the system's files or any file on the hard disk. System monitor is similar to like your task manager or task similar to like task manager. Gives the computer name, the system operating system that we have installed, which version, and this is GNOME, and how much gigs of RAM you got here, and the processor you can see this is Intel Xeon processor. So these are the processor running on, and how much amount of CPU is being utilized and what is the amount of memory is being utilized, and the file system is this is your hard disk. You can see that the used space is 2.5, and if you want, there's like places, various places, and from here you can manage your system, you can perform administration things here, and all system related Windows, mouse, keyboards. And if you want to shut down, you need to click on this button. But before that, you got some workspace options here. This is like your multiple desktops. If you're doing some task here, you can switch to other desktop, and this is commonly known as workspace. So thanks a lot for watching my tutorial. This was how to install Red Hat Linux 6. Thank you. Bye bye.